Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to be showing you a walk around video of our lovely Suzuki Swift SZ5 in a speedy blue with a silver roof. Now this is a 1 litre Boosterjet mild hybrid petrol. It's capable of achieving 65.7 miles per gallon, making it an extremely economical small car. It's got 20,865 miles on the clock. It's only had 2 previous owners, and it would make an ideal first car or an economical town-to-town city driving car. Next I'll show you a look inside the boot space. So as you can see, a deep boot space is available with the Swift, especially considering the size of the car. Next just show you a little look inside the rear seats of the vehicle. Moving round to the front, here is your multimedia touchscreen panel. This will come standard with several features such as a reverse camera, reverse parking sensors, a sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just a little lower down you do have your climate control. That will come standard with air conditioning and an automatic mode. Here is your leather multifunctional steering wheel, so from here you can adjust your radio and volume settings. On the other side you do have your adaptive cruise control settings. Just under there is a few buttons just to be able to accept and reject phone calls, as well as the vehicle having voice recognition. Now before this Swift leaves us at the dealership, it will be given 12 months of advisory free MOT, and it will also be given a fresh service just to ensure you've got nothing to worry about before you leave the dealership. There is 12-month warranty upon purchase, that is with Suzuki's approved used. And if you look on our website, you should be able to see a technician's appraisal video just showing you a little bit more about the mechanics of the car. Now if you would like to take this lovely little Swift out for a test drive, or if you'd simply like a little bit of extra information, do feel free to get in touch. Myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help give in any information you need. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you soon.